Hello everyone, I'm Max and today I have in front of me a portable LED fixture in explosion proof design, explosion protection D category, that's mean explosion proof shell. This device is designed and manufactured by a Russian company GORELTEX. It located in St. Petersburg. In this video I will tell you about the purpose of this device, look at the features of it, I will disassemble it, and of course I will run it to work. Okay, let's get started. This device is designed for voltage of 12 to 36 volts. I have a 24 volts power supply near me, but I can also tell you, in secret of course, that this LED fixture works at 9 volts. I checked, it shines a little dimly, but quite normally. It's small, compact, compared even to its analogous. Its weight about 2 kilograms, given its massive silicon aluminum alloy body. IP66, that is, it's completely protected from the penetrations of dust or moisture, and you can safely give the degree of protection up to 67, because it pretty sealed from all sides. So severe operating conditions are what it designed for. There are no buttons here, no buttons, no levers, no switches, because buttons are potential weak and vulnerable components. I'm sure you understand this. Okay, I guess everything is pretty clear here. Yeah, there exists plastic analogues of these times, such as Milwaukee, Hilti in a plastic case form, but they don't have an explosion protection. And the advantage of this light fixture is it is designed for work at temperatures of minus 60 Celsius to up plus 55 Celsius degree. It's not afraid of aggressive environmental influences, the atmosphere. It can be washed carefully, of course, and such a case collects less pollution from various petroleum products. Here the lamp has a handle, but it also can be attached to some bracket. The light beam is narrow, it shines with a directional beam, it has not have general lighting, and therefore is well suited to illuminate something in a bunker or a tank through a window to check that it's inside. The handle is simple, made of stainless steel, attached to the body by 3 bolts. On the lid there is a thick borosilicate glass. It's very durable, it's not afraid of mechanical influences, and is additionally protected by the house. That is, if you drop the lamp, the glass will not break. Where else this lamp can be used? Imagine that is a polar night in the place where you work, frost, and for example a tank or a pipe from which oil drops somewhere. Dark, cold, snow. It's necessary to determine the location of the leak and then carry out some repair work. Battery powered lights works extremely short in such a cold, so in such cases only from the main power supply. It costs about 20,000 rubles, it's about $300. There is a grounding terminal on the hose right here, but the lamp is low voltage. It's not necessary to ground it, especially since the house is grounded by means of this grounding wire from inside the device. And now it's time to unscrew the lid and see what is inside, although you won't normally do that. Okay, now let's try to run it to work. Okay, now you see how it works. Just a narrow, long light beam. And now I will unscrew 4 hexagonal stainless steel bolts. Outside you also can see a plug, nickeled brass, sealed sticker, cable gland, explosion proof of course, grounding, glass, very strong and durable, put out bolts. Carefully take off the lid. Now you can see inside room. Terminal blocks, this way. GORELTEX branded lubricant inside. It's applied in the end of work on the explosion surface. It's called explosion surface. It grease additionally protects the surface, aluminum surface, from potential negative influences, and yes, it's also conductive. Inside, as I said, a grounding terminal, yeah. And now let's try to unscrew the reflector. 4 bolts. Here is a bracket, the reflector, 4 LED diodes, polished aluminium, stainless steel bracket, and of course a driver inside this block, washer. Okay. And now I will unscrew the this plate. Pretty thick, heavy. I put the magnet. Okay. It's a metal plate, painted, of course, but not stainless steel. Here silicone lay, sealant, silicone sealant. Here is another sealant made of silicone. Nothing special, but pretty interesting. And now I will put everything back together. Well, that's how today's review turned off. There will be many more reviews of such equipment ahead. If the video turned out to be interesting and useful for you, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. See you later.